For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. Hey guys, it is Wise from Wise Tech here, and today we got a special unboxing. I'm really happy at this one. It's really cool. It's a Dremel 3000, as you can see. It's a variable rotary tool. Comes with a 5-year warranty and all of the accessories you can see on screen. And yeah, it was the last one in stock. So I'm really happy I got it. So I'll be using this for several mods on my computer and finishing existing projects that have been just sitting around for a few months. And yeah, anything else in the future that requires cuts and sanding. So yeah, I'm really happy with the outside case. It looks pretty cool. And if you guys want to see that on the back as well, comes with a storage case. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Wow, so that's really cool. Wow, that's really impressive. So this is the Dremel tool here. It has a 10-speed control. It's 240 volt and 135 watts. And it has a cool chuck here as well. If you guys can see that. Sorry, I'm not very used to doing stuff like that. Reviewing it, stuff like this at least. And yeah, it's overall in good nick. Yeah, it is brand new, so it better be in good nick. Let's see the accessories that came here. So it came with a few cutting discs. Okay, so let's try to get this guy open. Alright, I'll just try to peel this off. Cool. So it comes with a drill bit, a few sanding blades, polishing blades, one cutting disc, one aluminium one, and some cutting discs on the edge. So overall, yeah, pretty cool, and comes with this little attachment so you can use it for precision cutting on pieces of wood. Comes with its manual and stuff like that at the back, and it comes with a full plastic case. Now this is the end of the unboxing, I guess, so I'll give you a tour around the tool first before I end it. And yeah, so very well made. It's made of rubber and got some metal here. Got a little thing for your tool belt if you need that. The cord is made very nicely. It comes with a 2-prong at the back, so no earth, unfortunately. But yeah, I mean, really well made. I'm very happy with the quality. It is made by Bosch, so I'm not surprised. Yeah, so yeah, overall in awesome condition. And yeah, I can't wait to use this thing. It's going to be awesome. So this is the end of the unboxing, and I'll give you guys a demonstration later. But that about sums up the video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you go and check out ystech.org for the latest post reviews and much more. I'll see you guys there at ystech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!